Hi boys and girls, this is Dr. Khan. Hope you guys are all doing well. Happy new day, and today we'll be working on Module 4, Lesson 20. Module 4, Lesson 20. So nice to connect with you like always. Okay, so we're going to quickly start out with our fluency practice, our conceptual development, and then we are going to move on to our application problem. Okay, so this these past few units overlap, and it's basically building on your previous knowledge. Okay, so when we first started this work, we started creating place value charts to solve two-digit numbers, adding two-digit numbers, and then we moved on to the connecting the place value way to the vertical way. And today we're going to continue this work with, again, addition with two compositions. So let's quickly start out with our fluency practice, basically reviewing addition facts. Very, very quick and very, very easy. 3 plus what equals 5? You should know this quick too. Very nice. 7 plus what equals 9? Very quick. You know this. Okay, beautiful work. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Very, very nice. This is just, again, becoming, increasing our mental math, right? Strategies where we just know these addition facts quickly. Very, very good. So let's look at our concept, let's look at our teaching point for today. Basically, you are going to use math drawings to represent additions with up to 2 compositions and relate drawings to a written method. Again, building on what we just did in the previous lesson. We're basically going to look at the place value way, and we're going to use the vertical way, see the connection between the two, and we're going to perform two-digit compositions. Basically, we're going to solve these problems using unit switches. Not just one unit switch, maybe 2 or 3. That's all that's happening. Okay, good work. So let's look at problem 1. Problem 1 is 76 plus 27. It is obviously represented the horizontal way. We want to quickly put it in the vertical way. It's easier to solve, right? Let's look at the steps that we need to use. Firstly, we have to create a place value chart. Number 2, represent both addends vertically. Start with the ones column, compose a unit switch if necessary. Start with the tens column, compose a unit switch if necessary. Find the total. That's all we're doing. Again, this is just a review of the previous lessons. Lesson 20 is a review of the previous lessons, okay? So let's use the place value chart. Here's my 100s column, tens column, ones column. I'm going to firstly represent the first addend, which is 76 using green, right? A green font. 7 tens, 6 ones. Then I'm going to represent 27, which is the second addend, using purple font. Okay, there's 22 tens, and then my 7 ones. Excellent job. Now I have to go, what does it say? Start with the ones column, okay? And then what do I have? I have 13 ones now, right? I have 13 ones. Can I conduct a unit switch? Let's see. Do I have 10 ones? Yes, I do. So I will take that 10 ones, box it, right? Conduct a unit switch by renaming this 13 ones to 110 and 3 ones. 110, do you see that? And 3 ones. Excellent job. Now I have to go to this tens column. Let's see what's going on over there. Okay, let's look at the tens column. I have 10 tens. Can I conduct a unit switch? Yes, I can. Okay, so I am going to take that 10 tens and turn it into 100, right? And 0 tens. So I'm going to take that 10 tens and turn it into a 100, right? And 0 tens. So what do I have left? Let's see. I have 100, 0 in the tens column, and then I have 3 ones in the ones column. So the answer is 103. Did you see how I did that? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's a very, very easy process. If you follow these steps, it's quite an easy process. So now let's move on to the vertical way. Here I have 76 plus 27. Same process. I'm going to start with the ones column. 6 plus 7 is 13 ones. I'm going to rename that 13 ones into 110 and 3 ones. Do you see that? There's the ones, there's the 110, okay? Now I'm going to go to the what? The tens column. 7 tens plus 2 tens plus 1 10 equals 10 tens. 10 tens, we're going to rename that to 100 and 0 tens. The answer is 103. Do they match? Yes, they do. Okay, did you see how we did that? We use math drawings to represent addition. We did 2 compositions, or basically 2 unit switches. There's unit switch 1, unit switch 2. You see that? Excellent. And then we found the total. And then we used it using a written method, which is the vertical way. This is how do you see how our conceptual development connects with what we just did? Yes? Okay, put your thumbs up if you agree. Awesome job. Let's move on to our application problem. Read, draw, write. I'm going to start out with reading it, okay? Kendra and Jojo are counting their marbles. Kendra has 38 and Jojo has 62. Kendra says they have 100 marbles altogether, but Jojo says they have 90. Who is correct? Who is correct? Do you think it's Kendra or do you think it's Jojo? Well, let's see. Firstly, I'm going to represent this conceptually. I'm going to have a conceptual representation. That's my CR. Okay, so I have a number bond here with the 38. There's Kendra's. This is Jojo's amount. And then we have to find the total. Again, I represented it using a tape diagram. There's the boxes. Here's the question mark. Now, I'm going to solve it. Firstly, I'm going to solve it using the vertical way. 38 plus 62. 8 ones plus 2 ones is 10 ones, which is going to be composed into 110. There's the 110 and 0 ones. Did you see that? Okay, did you just see that? Okay, excellent. Now I'm going to go to the tens column. 3 tens plus 6 tens plus 1 10 is 10 tens. 10 tens turns into 100 and 0 tens. My answer is 100. Okay, now I'm going to, again, check this using the place value chart or the place value way. Same process. Represent the 38 right here. 3 tens, 8 ones. Represent the 62, 6 tens, 2 ones. I'm going to see can I conduct a unit switch in the ones column? Yes, I can. I take that 10 ones and turn it into a 110. I have 0 ones left over here, right? Then I look at the tens column. 10 tens turns into 100 and 0 tens. So there's the 100. And then the 0 tens. The answer is 100. I am not done yet. Obviously, I have to write it. Kendra is correct because 38 plus 62 equals 100. I'll say that again. Kendra is correct because 38 plus 62 equals 100. How do I know this? Because I go back to my source, which is my application problem, and I look at Kendra, and Kendra did really say they have 100 marbles altogether, so she is correct. Okay? Here's my read, right? Here's my draw, and here's my write. So read, draw, and then write. Amazing job. I hope this was very helpful to you, and I hope to see you guys again next week. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing week, okay? Make it a great, great, great week. Take care, loves.